Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be thrifting winter 2022 trends and just kind of stuff that I want right now. If you're new to my channel, I'm currently 9 months pregnant. She's literally has the hiccups right now. So I think this is going to be my last time thrifting until she's here. I've kind of been like bunkering down because it's like cold and flu season, and I just know a few people with COVID right now, and I just haven't been going out besides like doctor's appointments. But I'm gonna wear my mask in there and I think I'll be okay. What am I trying to say? No, I don't know. So a lot of these things I won't be able to try on because I'm gonna buy them in the size, not in my size that I was before pregnancy, but a little bit bigger, because I'm gonna assume that's the size I'm gonna be again. And if not, I can just give them to friends and stuff. So that's kind of my thought process. Yeah, it's gonna be weird like buying for not me right now, because I don't want to buy like pregnancy clothes right now because I have 3 weeks being pregnant still, and then whatever. Kind of even seems funny to be like thrifting these things because like I'm not going to be getting dressed probably for like a month or two once she's born. Maybe a month, who knows, whatever. But I just have a hankering and I have a good list of stuff I want, and I'm sure we're gonna knock out a few pieces on this list because it's so long. It helps to read through it and kind of go over it with you guys, so here we go. I really want riding boots. I'm very particular about the type of riding boots, so maybe I'll show a few in there that I don't want, because I know there's riding boots in there that I don't want. Black riding boots. I want a quilted military jacket. This is one that I know if I don't find here, I'm just gonna buy it off eBay for like 30 bucks. Black skinny scarves, a white lace top, preferably long sleeve, but I'm also not opposed to a tank top one, but they just have to be high neck, but I can also wear them backwards. A big crossbody bag. I don't have a crossbody that I really like, and I know that a crossbody will be nice to be like hands-free once baby's here. I'm really into stripes, mostly like long sleeve stripes. A fleece zip up, but I'm particular about the fleece. I don't like the like Columbia type fleece jackets. I want it to be almost more like Sherpa, like thick teddy coat, which I'm not sure I'd find. Fleece vest can be like the Columbia, like Patagonia type vest, but Brandon also has a few, so I'm not really sure. I'd have to find one I really like. Big pendant necklaces, black capris I want to give a try, a black belt and a brown belt. I have like a super thick one, but I want like a medium sized one. Super dark wash jeans. They have to be straight leg and like really baggy, and like super dark wash, preferably with contrast stitching. Khakis I really want. Mini skirts I want to look at. A navy cable knit, preferably the brand Izod or like Ralph Lauren polo, whatever. I have 2 Izod ones that I wear all the time, and I've been like, my one's gray and the other one's cream, and I want like a darker color one. A zip up denim jacket, just a denim jacket but with a zipper, preferably a little more fitted rather than oversized. A fur hat, anything chainmail, and I'm really into like 60s like mod mini dresses, so maybe if I find any of that. I want to look more at like midi dresses and mini skirts, just because if I get riding boots I think those would be cute. I'm sorry I'm like breathing so heavily, but you guys already know, if you watch my channel, I just like can't breathe while pregnant. So I have a lot of stuff on this list, and we're just gonna go and see what we can do. I am very picky, but what you gonna do? We're gonna put on my headphones because it makes me feel less awkward about filming myself, and we're gonna get in there. Where's my mask? See ya. So right when you walk in, there's a bunch of boots, and these ones I really like the shape of the heel and the toe. They were just too short, obviously, but I was showing you what I did like. I went straight to the white long sleeves to look for a lace long sleeve top. This one was like the right idea besides the shoulder portion, and then I found another one, and I'm kind of regretting not picking this up. This looks really nice, and this is one that I think I would wear backwards, so it's a higher neck, and then you know the v-neck is just in the back. I just don't really like how v-necks look on me. And then I found this Tommy Hilfiger sweater that was honestly such nice quality, and I loved the boat neck, like wider, almost off the shoulder cut, but the colors just weren't for me. This was a real fur jacket for 40 bucks, and it was made in Hong Kong. There was no name brand on it, but I already have a fur jacket, but just showing that they're really easy, not super easy to thrift, but they're there. These boots, I love the toe, I love the shape of the heel, I love everything about them, but they are literally disintegrating. from the inside. These boots I'm showing you because I don't like them. I don't like the buckles. And then if the heel is brown, I hate them. These were almost good, but the top, I don't like how it's cut angled. I like straight across. I don't know why I didn't get this belt. It was such nice quality and good condition. I don't know why I didn't get it. It would be so cute over like a white maxi skirt or denim. I don't know, I might go back. Back in the car. It's really hot out today, which is weird because it's November. But I spent $66 and I got 2 giant bags. And I got like 3 pieces that were like 10 bucks. 12 bucks, so I guess that makes some sense. But I'll probably film like the haul part tomorrow. We'll see how much stuff I can try on. Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Myro for sponsoring this portion. Body washes have always left my skin dry and rough. Many clean products just don't perform that well in either cleaning the skin or moisturizing. Myro solves this by having a high performance body wash that uses coconut oil and provides a long lasting moisture for smooth, supple skin. Especially being pregnant, my belly gets so itchy when it's dry. This body wash is an essential in my routine. The coconut oil based concentrate provides ultra moisturizing, natural, toxin free body wash. The powerful plant-based ingredients ensure my skin and pores are gently but deeply cleansed. The soap is sulfate-free, so it works great and makes me feel like I'm bathing in silk without as much lather. The product also comes in this reusable container. You just purchase the refills, add water, shake it up, and you're good to go. The deodorant is the same way. You get to just buy these little refills to go inside of it. There's no toxic anything, aluminum, parabens, sulfate-free, also no talc, baking soda, or radioactive isotopes. Myro scents are 100% natural, and after a long day of running errands, working out, traveling, thrifting, I still smell good. The aloe-based formula uses bacteria-neutralizing probiotic and sage to keep me smelling great. 100% natural scents release over time when you need it the most. If you guys want to check out Myro and get $10 off your starter kit, you can use the code LANEY at mymyro.com/Laney for $10 off your starter kit. Seriously, check them out. Who's ready for the haul? I decided to just sit on the ground. I think this is the best way to go about this. Let's go through this thrift haul. So obviously I can't try everything on. I kind of talked about that already, but stuff I can't try on, I want to show you guys how I'm gonna style once. Jump scare. This belly goes down. First thing is actually something I can't try on, which seems crazy, but this is a little leather belt that should fit. It's just super simple, and I liked the contrast stitching on it. I thought that was really a cute detail. It is silver, which I have like a big gold one already, so I thought that this might be just nice to add to my collection. Pairing this just in a pair of jeans or like khaki pants, like through the belt loop, like a true belt, I think could be really cute and just add, you know, something. Mostly like low-waisted pants because that's what I just tend to wear anyways. So there's that. And that was $2.99, which I kind of thought was expensive, but inflation is real and thrift store prices are a part of inflation. So the next thing I got, this was $4.89. The brand is Exhilaration, so these are originally from Target. They are just a pair of little like kick flare black capris, like almost suit pants. And I thought the waist again was really, really cute. I won't be able to try these on yet. They're size 7, so I don't know. They just looked like something that would fit me before pregnancy. So I'm just kind of guessing here, but they feel like really nice quality. They look basically brand new and they're definitely old. So the vision I have with these is dressing it up and pairing it with like my little kitten heel ballet flats or kitten heel like slide on shoes. I also think with loafers or regular ballet flats, it'd be really cute. Pairing it with a bigger sweater like this, or if I'm dressing it up with the kitten heels, wearing something like a cute top underneath and then like my grandma's fur jacket. And then even I have the envision of like knee-high boots with capris, just so you're able to see your knee-high boots more in the wintertime without like having to resort to leggings or like, you know, skinny jeans and tucking your pants in, because I don't think I'm ready for that look yet. I know that that's like something we were seeing on the runway, but I just don't think I'm ready. So we're gonna try the capris. You know, if for $5, I'm like willing to try out a trend, and because this is my job and like showing you guys different ways to style things in fashion. And those are so easy to thrift. There's so many at the thrift store. Okay, the next thing I got are these American Eagle just khaki pants. These are from the men's section. I ended up picking them up. They're size 30 by 30. They were only $3.39. The men's pants are so much cheaper than the women's. It's just infuriating. Okay, not so much cheaper. $3 to $5. Like, why? These I think would be really cute with the belt through the loop and then styling it with like that blue sweater. The cardigan would be really cute, or my like longer trenches, jean jackets, any sweater would be cute. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. And also my little striped scarf and khakis. Like, I don't know why the color combo is chef's kiss. This I'm really, really happy about. This was also $5, which, why do I think that's expensive? Like, it's not at all. But this is a little maxi skirt that has an elastic waist, which I'm really appreciative of right now. I actually might be able to get it on for you guys. It says it's in a size large, and I'm guessing that's like if you wore it high-waisted, but I plan on wearing it low-waisted, so it should fit after pregnancy. This is by the brand Software Petites. Yeah, then this is definitely supposed to be worn high-waisted, but whatever. It's just a really nice kind of thin, flowy material, super comfortable. I am a sucker for maxi skirts, and in the wintertime wearing them with those like fleece Amazon tights and knee-high boots to like keep that warmth, I think is such a cute look. And then just like a sweater, fur jacket, whatever, a trench. Again, just really cute look. This is actually something weird. This was $3.83, but I might actually be able to get this on, which would be exciting to show it. I thought that this was just so cute. It is super vintage. It's by the brand Only in LA, and it's got this like knit top and then like flannel plaid skirt, and I just thought this again would be really easy to style and wear and be comfortable. A pretty cute tie in the back. I might be able to get this on now, and then also I think it'll fit me postpartum. I'm sorry I keep saying that, it's probably so annoying, but in the winter time pairing this with a trench and knee-high boots, even with like Uggs, I think could be really, really cute. It could be dressed up, dressed down. This is like a good Christmas or like Thanksgiving dress for sure, so I really like that. Not that I even know if I'll be attending Christmas or Thanksgiving this year. Okay, so this has more of that contrast stitching that I really, really like. This was a high ticket item. It was $12.89. I thought it was so cute. I'm a sucker for these like denim kind of dresses, like jumpsuits, all those kind of things I always like. So this is a black denim dress that I should be able to try on. I don't know if I'll be able to button it actually. And it's got this really nice white contrast stitching. It's from the brand Apostrophe, but it does have some stretch to it. Maybe I can get it on, who knows? I keep saying that. So I talked about how I wanted a zip up denim jacket, but I ended up finding this one, which is the brand Eddie Bauer. This was expensive too. This was $12.89 also. They considered this designer. I was like, what? Eddie Bauer? But sure, it was cute enough where I decided to pick it up. I just really like the dark wash and the contrast stitching. I wanna find a pair of jeans that match this top that are like wide and long, and I think that would be a really, really cute look that I'd wear all the time. I think that's like what I envision, is wearing it with denim on denim and dressing it up or down. You know, those Onitsuka Tigers, those yellow shoes I keep talking about, would be really cute with an outfit like this, the blue and yellow. But I'm really into this like fake denim blue color, and it's so weird because I hated it for so long and I never really was like a contrast stitch girl, and now I really like contrast stitching. Also, if it looks like I'm not looking at you guys and I'm looking at myself, I'm looking at the record light on my camera because it keeps stop recording and then I'm talking to nobody. The next thing I got, I was talking to you guys about lace tops. So I didn't find a long sleeve one, which would have been my preferred long sleeve top, but I thought this one was really, really pretty as well. It's actually from Dress Barn, funny enough. My mom and I used to always like make fun of Dress Barn just because the name of it, like why would you want to get dressed in a barn? Yeah, but I guess they have good stuff. I think they're out of business, but the thrift store normally has good stuff from Dress Barn. It's this really pretty white lace top with kind of like boning in it, you know, boning, and the front's pretty, but I also think I could wear it backwards and have like a higher neck and then wear it, you know, under a fur jacket or in the wintertime with like a black mini skirt or something would be so cute, or just like with denim. And the reason I picked this one up so quickly was because it actually has a lining underneath, because I like the look of like see-through lace, but I like the look of see-through lace with nothing underneath, like with your nipples out. And I'm not comfortable enough to do that. So I like that this is just like seamless and you won't see my bra underneath. And this was only $3.89, which was a steal to me. Okay, and the last thing I got, I've kind of been like looking for, but it was one of those things where I'm like not on the hunt for it. I just knew it would come up when it comes up. And this one was such a good price. This was $12.89. This is a this is a wool trench, a real wool trench. And like this, like my denim jacket was the same price. Like who is pricing these things? Whatever. But this is such a nice black trench. I have a really nice tan one already, and I kind of wanted a black one. And this is my favorite type of collar, where it's a small, like fitted collar and it buttons all the way up the neck. I like that because I will wear it totally buttoned up and I think it's a really cute look. I'm not super into trenches that open wider. The way it stopped recording, like, is something wrong with me? Is it this mic, or am I just too pregnant to use my brain? I'm getting pissed off. Not actually. What I was saying is I don't like trenches that open super wide in the front. I'll kind of put some pictures here. I don't know. I just am not into it as much. I'm somebody who's always like zipped my jacket all the way. I don't know if it's like an OCD thing or like I don't know what it is. Do you guys ever have that feeling where you like want everything you own like to be really close to you? I've always been like that in like school and stuff, where like people who like spread out their lunches, I'm like, what are you doing? Like I need everything like in this big of a radius close to me. I don't want to take up any extra space, but also I just want everything close to me. I kind of feel like that's the same way with zipping up my jackets. My jacket's open and it's just like flapping in the wind. Like, get close to me. I want it on my body. That might be very weird and nobody else agrees, but and if it means something, I don't want to know. So I'm somebody who buttons it up all the way, and I just like how these tighter collars look buttoned up opposed to the ones that are a little bit bigger and more open, like a robe. Pairing this with just, you know, a pair of jeans and black Sambas, it's like such a cool girl look. And maybe if I had like a pop of color crossbody bag, I don't, but that would be cool. Or just even, you know, a black shoulder bag and an all black look, black pants would be adorable. If you don't have a black wool trench, having them for like any dressed up occasion, if you're going to like a wedding or, you know, a holiday party, or dare I even say a funeral, the black wool trench is just like always the way to go. You will always find a reason to wear that. Super cute and fun. I don't know why I said funeral, I don't like that. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys in a few days. That's it. I love you the absolute most. Bye.